going to be a beautiful day. Goldie and I are going to go do some hiking. We are at Amnicon Falls State Park. Hey, hold on. Goldie, wait for me. There we go. I dropped it. We gotta have that. Let's go down here. This place has some beautiful waterfalls. I'm not going to be talking a lot during this video because I absolutely love the sound of the water running. It's so calming and relaxing. I just enjoy the sound of that water. So hopefully you enjoy it as well. Walk down here and we'll get a better view up further.